A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Maswera say, Maswera say, Maswera say. So this evening, let us take a look on what Kasukuwere just said randomly from Norway. Angoyerekana kungotoro mamwe mashoko nezuro, the 17th of October, around 8:34 p.m. Kasukuwere just said he got 38%. Everyone is asking this question, who? But we know Kasukuwere is one of the presidential candidates who were denied access to the ballot paper, who were removed forcibly from the ballot paper and procedurally through the captured Jiaji. So let us explore and unpack. There are some people who are saying Muchindo uyu haana kusvika 40%, and these are reliable people. One of them is Sevia Kasukuwere. No matter how much you hate Sevia Kasukuwere, you still have some people within the system who can give him reliable information. What we don't know is if he has that power to overturn anything within the system. That much we do not know. But as of informants, he does have them. So this is a very important issue. Let us explore and take a look on this whole conversation. Yakatangwa with this one. Ashi said, proof, you can prove me wrong, reverse honors, which means if you can prove Sevia Kasukuwere wrong, he can prove to you that someone got 38%. Atina mazita atambotaura. Zvikanzi pana champion John, munangagwa got 38% here naichirandu. This is a question iri kubvunzwa panapa atina udaro. So we do not know, guys, where they got this answer or this result, but and that's being nice. Okay, this is Prophet German. Yes, he did. Time for you to reactivate the old ZANU-PF structures. We need to do massive recalls of former ZANU-PF cadres like Chris Mchangwa. It is common knowledge he was properly fired from ZANU-PF with proper structures. Okay, very interesting, Team Zimbabwe. This is Noel who is raising something very interesting. As usual, 38. Okay. He sure did. Okay, a lot of people are actually agreeing to 38%. Which 38%? Who got 38%? Iwewe ndoni answer. Now you're singing That Day Makes Sense. May someone put that song here? Ndakakutaurira. Okay, this is what William Zambezi is saying. As always, even in 2018, he got less. Who got 38%? Akazorika say, we were not very far from the mark. I don't believe that this guy even rigged. This guy declared himself using a false result. Ingoti ndini chete wewe. Don't worry about the result. Ingoti ndini. I believe kuti ndozvo zvakaitika baba zvikanzi we were not very far from the mark. Okay, this was a prediction of Nelson Jamisa 60%, Edi Mnangagwa 40%. I believe that Edi Mahembe had done nearly justice, but he failed to understand kuti tatine vanhu vanga vari paballot paper vakawanda, saka iva vaizofanira kuwana tumadobidobi twemapercentages avo, which means 60-40 was not realistic, but it was close. So Kasukuwere is well connected in the intelligence sector, so this doesn't sound outlandish. Okay, I will agree. But aripo imwe muripi. Okay, the question is, what will happen? Is he going to continue just like that? I don't know. Or even way less than that. Okay, the pyramids were built by the Greeks. Okay, so my question is, Akawana say 30%, Akawana below 20%. I remember akashandisa chitororo kumaruzevha uko kune dzimwe nzvimbo dzaita sana Mwenezi, Chiredzi and so forth. Okay, panapa he has improved from 36 he got in 2008 thanks to fast intimidation. Saka Chete say blaz. He epitomizes of thieving. Okay, if not 25%, no one really voted for the guy. I saw some Magogo saying we were told to say we need assistance. If you deny assistance, your piece of land will be taken away from you. Yet Chamisa said God is in it and allows him to continue to ruin our beautiful country. haambofeka ivaka nekuti haazi mwene wayo. Back to Chamisa, God is in everything, but he has given men dominion over the earth. The choice is yours to take authority or let it be taken from us. Okay, zvikanzi zvichizotibatsirei maingozviita wani inini. Okay, so Team Zimbabwe, this is what is happening. Xavier Kasukuwere just said he got 38% and everyone rushed to the comment section. Atina zvatataura Team Zimbabwe, we are just having a conversation asking kuti ko iye akawana 30% ndiani, imuri kuti akawana chii. So it is what it is. Team Zimbabwe, my name is Ronald Wekomakushi. Let us meet in other episodes as well as other broadcasts. Keep on subscribing, commenting, sharing our videos to as many people as